Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video. You are currently looking at a 2015 Chevy Silverado. Here's the problem I came across, and I just wanted to do a quick video and show you guys this battery terminal. The post that goes right here busted, and so now I can't get it to go tight. With that said, this is the one that broke. If you see, it's got like it's got a washer, and then it looks kind of like a T. It's 10mm nut on the top, and as you tighten that down, this shoulder on the T squeezes and allows the clamping mechanism of the wire itself. So, by the way, you can't buy it anywhere but the dealer. So this is the package. I got it from, it's General Motors labeled, but I bought it from the Chevy dealer. This was $23. It was like $22 and some change, which is ridiculous for one little tiny bolt. But I had no other option. This is exactly the same thing. I haven't even opened it yet, but I wanted to just point out to you guys, this right here is the part number. And if you can wait a couple of days, you can look this up and order it offline for way cheaper than $22. But I just wanted to show it to you and kind of explain it to you so that you knew. And I hope this video helps you. I hope that you can use this part number and look up the part and save yourself some money if you can wait a few days for the part to come in the mail. If you can't wait and you got to have it now, the dealer's the only place that you can get it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and thanks for liking my videos, and I appreciate everything that you guys do for me, and I hope that I'm doing my best to return the favor by offering awesome videos that help you guys out. Anyway, have a great day.